Hello friends, today we are going to open a special file. Imagine an object moving at 13 times the speed of sound. In this video, we look at Fattah-1, Iran's aerospace engineering masterpiece, so stay with me until the end to unlock its secrets. In June 2023, a piece of news exploded like a loud bomb. Iran officially unveiled its very first hypersonic missile named Fattah-1. This is not just a simple missile, but a game changer. Let's see why this new weapon keeps many people awake at night. You might ask, what does hypersonic actually mean right now? In very simple language, it means speed above Mach 5, but Fattah's story goes way beyond just these basic numbers today. The speed of this missile is reported between 13 and 15. To give you a better understanding, let's do a quick calculation. It travels at about 16 to 18,000 kilometers per hour. This insane speed causes the enemy's reaction time to drop drastically. Practically, by the time they try to move, it is late. The next important point you must know is the precise range. Fattah-1 can hit targets at a distance of 1,400 kilometers. This means easy access to sensitive strategic points across the region. Note that combining this range with such speed is very dangerous. But wait, speed is not the only scary feature here, friends. The main trump card is its incredibly strange maneuverability in space. Most ballistic missiles follow a specific and arched path to targets, but Fattah can constantly change its path and move in zigzags. Now let's look a bit more technically at its beating heart. This missile comes with a powerful two-stage solid fuel engine system. Using solid fuel means the preparation time for launch is minimal. In fact, they can launch it towards the target very quickly. The secret of Fattah's maneuvering lies in the second stage nozzle. This advanced movable nozzle directs thrust in various different directions effectively. The warhead maneuvers inside the atmosphere just like a fighter jet. This feature makes predicting its final path impossible for enemy radars. It is interesting to know Fattah works inside and outside atmosphere. This missile can exit the atmosphere and dive back into it. Complex movement in different atmospheric layers makes interception extremely hard indeed, because current defenses are designed for targets with fixed paths only. The main goal of building Fattah is bypassing powerful missile shields. Famous systems like Patriot or Arrow are helpless against this bird. High speed and sudden path changes mess up enemy radar calculations. They cannot guess the next impact point to lock their radars. The Fattah warhead has a conical shape and is very aerodynamic. This specific design helps maintain high speed during the final dive. Also, materials used in the body have very high heat resistance, because at that terrible speed, air friction produces melting hot heat. Some experts say this missile has some radar stealth properties too. Special body coatings absorb radar waves and reflect them much less. Of course, the dizzying speed itself takes away accurate identification time. This means the enemy notices the danger when it's too late. In the world, only a few countries possess such advanced technology. Russia, China, the US, and North Korea are in this club. Now, Iran has joined this limited and powerful group with Fattah. This shows a huge leap in Iran's missile technology recently. Well, friends, let's see what the operational and tactical use is. Fattah is for hitting enemy radars and opening paths for others. First, Fattah blinds defense systems so the sky becomes wide open. This smart tactic ensures the second wave of attacks succeeds perfectly. Accuracy of impact, or being a pinpoint striker, is very important. Despite supersonic speed, its guidance system works very accurately and precisely. Combining speed and precision turns Fattah into a sniper weapon effectively. It can destroy exactly the point we want with great power. Strategically, unveiling Fattah changed the balance of power in the region. The message of this advanced missile to neighbors was quite clear, that no defense shield can guarantee 100% security anymore. This issue creates a serious and heavy deterrence for Iran today. Fattah also has the capability of firing from mobile ground platforms. Firing from a mobile launcher means high missile survivability before launch. They can hide it in underground tunnels and suddenly bring it out. This feature makes identifying launch sites difficult for spy satellites. Building such a missile might cost money, but it is worth it. The cost of enemy interceptor missiles is usually much higher, actually. The enemy must fire several expensive missiles to maybe hit one. Economically, fighting against Fattah is very costly for the enemy side. Fattah-1 is just the start of the story. New versions come. As we saw, the second version was introduced with cruise capabilities. Iranian engineers are constantly upgrading the range and precision of this. This path of progress does not stop, and we hear news. The reflection of this missile's unveiling in Western media was widespread. Many didn't believe it at first, but had to admit. Military analysts said countering this missile is a nightmare for defenses. These admissions show that the Iranian engineers' work was truly correct. Building Fattah had many technical challenges that are not simple to solve. Managing heat on the body at Mach 15 requires high technology. Also, radio communication with the missile at these speeds is difficult. Passing through the plasma layer around the missile is a challenge. The Fattah guidance system must make important decisions in split seconds. Its flight computer must process and command at the speed of light. This intelligence allows the missile to find its way through defenses. It is as if the missile has eyes and dodges obstacles. I emphasize again that composite solid fuel is a very big advantage. This fuel releases a massive amount of energy in a short time. Also, keeping solid fuel missiles in warehouses is easier and safer. Their operational life is longer and they remain ready to fire. So let's review the key features of Fattah together once again. Range of 1,400 kilometers, Mach 15 speed, and high maneuverability. Two-stage solid fuel engine and movable nozzle to escape radar. These are specs that turn Fattah into a nightmare for enemies. I hope you enjoyed hearing the story of this engineering masterpiece. Definitely write your opinions for me in the comments section, friends. What do you think Iran's next step will be in missiles? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye until the next video.